Hi, I'm Brad Baker. I'm the Product Manager for the Independent Series and Seeding Groups for Salford. Today we're going to launch another new product in the Independent Series lineup, the I-2200. We're going to talk a little bit about the features and benefits of the I-2200 in a second, but first let's do a brief overview of the Independent Series lineup. At Salford, we don't believe it's enough to offer one tillage tool in such a highly diverse agricultural landscape. Now, to compensate for this, we offer a full range of Independent Series products that range from light surface tillage and residue management all the way up to primary tillage and residue incorporation up to 5 inches deep. We offer an array of blade spacings as well, ranging from 7.5-inch blade spacing to 5-inch blade spacing, and even a strip till configuration. We offer a series of different types of coulters as well, ranging from our original Coiltech 1 wavy blade coulter to our heavy-duty Coiltech 2 wavy blade coulter, to our rubber suspension concave blade coulter. Now, the Salford Independent Series is best known for its patented independently mounted Coulter Blades. Now, these Coulter Blades provide industry-leading clearance in high residue and moisture situations, also provides industry-leading obstacle protection. Now, this combination of obstacle protection and clearance allows the operator to move swiftly through the field and increases his overall productivity. This allows more acres to be covered in a given time frame. Now, the Coiltech coulter itself produces an earth-shattering vibration action. We like to call it the jackhammer effect. Now, that action breaks up the lower compaction layers of the soil, allows for better water retention and root development, and it does this without destroying the overall soil structure. Now, the I-2200 is a true vertical tillage machine in that the coulters run straight up and down and travel through the field straight. This is unlike an angled disc gang that travels through the field at an angle and causes more soil disruption at the surface. These straight up and down blades also reduce soil compaction. It's going to lead to more healthy root development. Now, the I-2200 takes Salford's heavy-duty Coiltech 2 coulter and puts it on 5-inch spacing. Now, this is a long way from the original RTS recipe, which had our lighter duty Coiltech 1 coulter on 7-inch spacing. Now, you can see the heavy-duty Coiltech 2 coulter here is a much larger coulter than the original Coiltech 1. There's more weight per blade, and that offers a lot better ground penetration, especially in high residue or hard soil conditions. It also has more vertical travel, which gives it much better obstacle protection than the original Coiltech 1 blade. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the 5-inch spacing on the I-2200. Now, that 5-inch spacing is really designed to provide a good field finish and really knock down the size of that residue in the field. It's a good compromise between a 7.5-inch space machine and something with concave blades. It creates minimal surface tillage, but just enough tillage where it can pin down a little bit of that loose residue and keep it from blowing around. Now, as with every other Independent Series product, the I-2200 comes with an array of optional attachments that can be used to transform it into a multifunctional tool. One of these attachments is a Switchblade hydraulically operated shank. Now, these shanks can be attached to the I-2200, and they can come with a chisel-style shank leaf that can be used for deep tillage operations. It can also be equipped with an application-style shank that allow for deep banding fertilizer application and can even do anhydrous ammonia application. Now, the I-2200 offers a series of rear attachments designed for field finishing operations. You can get it with our standard 3-bar coil tine and 14-inch rolling basket attachment series, or you can get the new Flex Finish hydraulically controlled rear attachment series as well. So the I-2200 is a heavy-duty vertical tillage machine, and it's a true vertical tillage machine. Remember, those straight blade coulters running in the straight pattern are not going to give you the same compaction effects as a disc gang style vertical tillage machine. With the heavy-duty Coiltech, you're going to get much more weight per blade, and it's really going to work in those conditions where you have high residue density or really hard soil conditions. That's what makes this machine one of the flagship models of the Independent Series product lineup. So I really encourage you to go see the I-2200 in action. Go see your dealer and get a demo arranged today. You can also get more information on the I-2200 at our website at www.salfordgroup.com.